Good morning students, welcome to St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 3 EVS subject. Today we are going to continue our lesson number 14, our food. Page number 97. Think and write. When you are sick, do you take any medicine from the plants? What do you take when you get hurt? So when you get hurt, you can apply turmeric. What do you take when you have a stomach ache? You can take ajwain and black salt with water. What do you take when you have cough and cold? You can take milk with turmeric. What do you take when you have a toothache? You can put clove oil in mouth. Next page. Choose the correct basket for each item. Draw line to match it. You can see here students, we have list of items here. We have to match the items to the correct basket. We have 4 baskets here. Flowers, leaves, fruits and any other part of a plant. Now let's see. First one, carrot. Carrot is the root of the plant. Therefore, it comes in any other part of a plant basket. You can see. It comes in this basket. Second, jackfruit. It's a fruit. So, it comes in this basket. Then, French beans. It's a seeds. So, it also comes in any other part of a plant. Mustard. Mustard are also seeds. It's not leaves, not flowers, not fruits. It's any other part of a plant. Then radish. It is roots like carrot. So it is also comes in this basket. It's any other part of a plant. Then ginger. Ginger is a stem. So it is also comes in any other part of a plant. Then flowers of kachnar. It comes in flowers. It's a flower of a plant. So it comes in this basket. Then amla. Amla is a fruit of a plant. So it comes in this basket. Then gram. Gram is a seeds. It comes in this basket. Then spinach. Spinach is a leaves of a plant. So it comes in this basket. Then lotus stem. It's a stem of a plant. So it comes in any other part of a plant. Curry leaves. It's a leaves of a plant. So it comes in leaves basket. Potato. Potato is a stem of a plant. So it comes in any other part of a plant. Cauliflower. It's a flower of a plant. So it comes in this basket. Then banana. Banana is a fruits. So it comes in this basket. You can see here students. The answer will be like this. You can see I have put all the items in a correct baskets. Jackfruits, amla, mango, banana. It comes in fruits. Then carrot, French beans, mustard, radish, gram, lotus stem. These all are comes in any other parts of a plant. Then flowers of kachnar and cauliflower comes in flowers. Then spinach, curry leaves. It comes in a leaves basket. Okay. Now with this our chapter is completed. So today we are going to start additional exercise of this chapter. Let's see. Select the best answer. We get most of the food from A. Plant, B. Animals, C. Both A and B, and D. None of these. So answer is plants. We get most of the foods from plants. Spinach is obtained from the days of a plant. Fruits, flowers, roots or leaves. Spinach is obtained from the leaves of a plant. Third one. Which of the following things is obtained from plants? Milk, paneer, curds or turmeric? Turmeric. Turmeric is a correct answer because milk, paneer and curd we obtain from animals. Fourth one. Which of the following things is obtained from animals? Potatoes, rubber, wool or jaggery? The correct answer is B, wool, because wool we get from sheep, animal. Fifth one. For which illness are cloves used? A for pain in the waist, B for toothache, C for leg sprain and D for stomachache. So correct answer is B for toothache, because we can put clove oil when we have toothache. Sixth one. Who helps Venu's mother in the household work? A. Venu, B. Venu's father, C. Both A and B, and D. None of them. So correct answer is Venu's father. Fill in the blanks. We get sugar from days. So we get sugar from sugarcane. We eat the days of a cabbage plant. So what we eat in cabbage? We eat the leaves of a cabbage plant. Cow, goats and buffaloes gives us days as food. What they gave us? Cows, goats and buffaloes gives us milk as food. Days provide us many herbal medicines. Plants provides us many herbal medicines. Lemons are the days of a plant. Lemons are the fruit of a plant. Fifth one. Match the following. A. Column A and column B. In column A, wheat, radish, ginger, cheese and tea. In column B, steam, milk, root, leaves and seed. So first one, wheat. Which is the correct match for wheat? Yes, it's a seed. E. Seed. Radish. Radish is a root. Ginger. Ginger is a stem of a plant. Cheese we get from milk. Tea. Tea is the leaves of a plant. Okay students, so complete this exercise in your homework. Okay students, thank you.